Hello, Dr. Schilper. How are you doing?
I'm good, Dr. Rani. Thank you. How are you?
Good. And I'm very happy to see you. How is the feeling like to have, the burden of the exams and everything off your shoulders now?
It's really good. Yeah. It's
Okay.
really, I'm excited to start the new program. Yes.
Hmm. And
Mhm.
as Medcognito, we are very happy that you came through as a candidate. But I don't also know your experience as a candidate with us. So I just want to know in all this, how, because I know that at a point in time you were really short of time. How did you
Hmm.
how did you do it?
Yes. So when I got the email for like I was eligible for the TDM exam for CPA, so I had only few weeks for me, around 6 weeks to give
Wow,
that exam. So
wow.
I emailed you, and I was looking for some program which will give me that information and which will provide me about the format of the exam, and I can
Yeah.
do that because I was working there full time, so I had only few hours in a day,
Mm.
so I was not able to attend live sessions.
Mm-hmm.
And that program was really helpful as provided by Medcognito in
Mm.
my TDM success.
And I at times I go back and review some of the work you did, and you were always very serious. You always
Mhm.
wanted to make sure that you got the necessary, even how you approached answering, some common scenarios. You were like, yeah, Dr. Boni, I'm going for it. And the way you were even able to organize some of your colleagues as well. Even though you were a candidate, you also formed a study group and you went to that. So in relation to your having to use 6 weeks to prepare for this exam, what do you think were the secrets in your preparation which helped you to succeed so well?
Yes, so first thing is I needed some guidance. So Medcognito was a first thing, and it proved to be a huge part in
Mm-hmm.
that time, during that 6 weeks time. And then consistency is important, studying daily for, I was devoting around 2 to 3 hours daily for that.
Mm-hmm.
And as in Medcognito, it was a very well organized program.
Mm.
So different, every important topic was covered in the lectures and in the questions format. So I was able to grasp all the important topics which were there for the exam,
Mm.
so that I could study and grasp those concepts in a short amount of time. And it really helped me in the exam.
Mm. So you think the approach we used helped you to cut out a lot of, unnecessary reading?
Yes, definitely. Because of that shortage of time, I didn't have, like, I couldn't go back to each and every topic to review it and study from the basic.
Mm-hmm.
So your program was really very helpful, as it had that in small amount of time, more of information I could have. So that was really helpful.
Awesome. I'm very glad that we've been able to create something which is helping many people. So in relation to the support, the teachers and everything, how was it? How was it like? Especially, and I'm still looking at the fact that you had to do it within that very short period of time.
Yes, so support was constantly there, and apart, like, not only related to the exam purpose, but I know I have emailed you few times regarding when I had some confusion about which path to take or how to proceed. So I
Mm.
had emailed you, and regarding my interview preparation as well. When I got interviews,
Mm-hmm.
the interview preparation was also very helpful. The
Mm.
mentor who is there with Medcognito, she really guided me well throughout the process, and
Sure.
I did mock interviews with her, and it was
Beautiful.
helpful, definitely.
Beautiful. Beautiful. So did you have any doubts, getting into the program, and were those doubts cleared by the time the program was done?
Yes, definitely. So I remember, like, I used to attend that Facebook group which
Mm-hmm.
Medcognito had. It was really helpful
Mm.
discussing the common topics there, and so small doubts which all of us, like, we were in a group, all of us had. We used to post them daily, and answering the questions, it definitely gave us that confidence to answer it in the real exam. So even the minute things which sometimes we get confused in the exam, so that was really helpful. I think the live Facebook sessions and
Mm.
that group was
Mm.
really helpful.
So Dr. Shilpa, so from what I'm hearing, you are saying, of course, we don't want people to use a very short time to prepare for the exam, but you are saying that there is a way to prepare for an exam and a simplified way, such that if as a candidate I'm even confused, I can just approach the exam that way, and Medcognito provides that. That's what
Yes,
I'm saying.
yes, definitely, definitely. Medcognito guided us how to approach it, how, what to prepare, what not to prepare, and what is the important thing for the exam. And the guidance was there throughout the time,
Beautiful.
till passing the exam, and after that, obviously in interviews as well. So the that guidance and help was there.
So getting in touch with candidates is always a joy for us, because then we see the transformation, we see the joy, we see the
Mm-hmm.
Dr. Bronia emerged into either a residency program
Mm-hmm.
or practice ready assessment program. So, after having gone through this, what is your broad view about how your journey has been, and how, if somebody is listening to you right now, what steps should a person take?
So I would say the first step, as we know, is passing the licensing exam,
Mm-hmm.
because without that, we are not able to apply.
Yeah.
So I would say that all exams are interrelated, the QE1, NAC, OSCE, TDM. If so, pass them in a shorter duration of time, like study
Okay.
them, study hard for it, and there should not be like much gap between them, because
Mm,
one exam is related. Like QE1 preparation helped me in NAC, OSCE, and both of those preparation helped me in TDM. And
beautiful.
one thing, like I gave my exams back to back, and I scored like good scores in a E3 of TDM. We don't know the score, but in other two, I got the good scores. So I
Mm-hmm.
think that's really important
Mm,
to give them a study like together for all those and give them in a back to back. So that's really important, I feel.
mm-hmm.
And then knowing all the programs, like what are available, to which we are eligible, like not restricting ourselves to one province,
Yeah.
and reaching out like what options are there for us as IMGs, because only limited spots are available.
Mm,
So seeing that we have like residency options and PRA options, so seeing like what where we can apply and
mm,
applying broadly, I think that's really important.
yeah. So, Dr. Schilper, at times a candidate may say, I don't have the time. I'm afraid. I don't know who to guide me. I don't know who to follow to really know the pathway. In that way, what will you say, especially now that you have gotten to the end of the road, so far as your licensing exams and the rest are concerned? What will you say about, actually getting a coach to guide you?
Yeah, so coaching is really important, right?
Mm,
So we should have someone who will guide it at every step, right?
mm,
So if we get confused, like how most of the time in during licensing exam, we have confusion. Like we know the resources, but sometimes the resources are so many, so we are not sure like what should we study for this particular exam.
yeah.
So having some mentor who has actually done that thing himself,
Mm,
so
mm-hmm,
that's really important, who they can guide us well,
mm-hmm,
because yeah, because we have many other programs and many other coaching available, but I was specifically looking for someone who has done through all, have gone through this
mm.
themselves, so that they'll be able to guide us better.
In relation to this, I always carry my water bottle, and I always say that, the resources are like water, right? We drink water when we are thirsty, but people have also died by drowning in water. And that is what
Yes.
I always see at times. Candidate, you have, like, you talk to people and they have everything from the books to whatever, and yet you
Mm-hmm.
don't know how to
Hmm.
so, from
What's
what you're telling me, it's like even the coach is going to guide you that, okay, you have this book, this is what you need to focus on, that
hmm.
forget about. And all this is also in the objective, but to go through the objectives and to assemble all this can at times be very daunting. Okay. I'm really happy about this conversation, because I think that it will help many people to appreciate the fact that there is always a way, a science of passing the exam. So as we are bringing our conversation to an end, what are your closing remarks to every other person who'll be listening to you and will be saying, hey, Dr. Schilper, how can I be like her? What is your advice?
So if for TDM, because I what I did for my TDM exam for my interview preparation, I would definitely Medcognito is the was the like really help
Mm,
for me during my
sure,
TDM and interview preparation.
sure.
And so we need that's the like line, we need some guidance and coach during this journey, and
Mhm.
it's really important like we have the right coach and right guidance available for us.
Beautiful. You know, I can't wait for you to receive your text message about how everything goes when you finally settle. And I'm hoping that one of these days, if I should pass through Manitoba, you know, we can meet and, meet your
Yes, sure,
family. And,
definitely. Yes,
it's
yes.
because as soon as we become part of this Medcognito family, it's a big family and we just keep growing and growing and growing.
Hmm.
So, Dr. Schilper, thank you very much. And thank you
Thank you,
for
Dr. Brani, for
encouraging
your
every
time.
other doctor who is listening to you. And all the best, all the best. And don't
Thank
forget
you.
to stay in touch. All right.
Yes, sure, Dr.
But,
Brani. Thank you.
yeah,
Thanks
you're
again.
welcome. Okay.
Hmm.